Increase a number by a percentage. How to increase a number by a percentage? What does increase mean? Increase means more, to add more, to move up or something. More, not less. That's the meaning of increase. Okay? Usually adding more to something. Now let's see. If we have to increase 44 by 50%, what does this mean in the first place? What does it mean to increase something by a percentage? Are we adding 50 to 44? No. 50% is not the same thing as 50. So if you added 44 and 50, you would have 94. This would be totally wrong, because 50% of 44 is 50%. That's 50 over 100, or 44 multiplied by 44. This is the value of the increase that we are looking for, right? So what is 50 multiplied by 100 over 54? Sorry, 50 multiplied by 44 over 100. So I'll put this together. Our 50 multiplied by 44 over 100. Let's see if we can cross out anything. 0 cancels 0. 5 goes here 1 and 5 goes in 10 in 2 places. Oh, 2 here 1 and 2 goes in 44 in 22 places. Can we simplify any further? No. So 50% of 44 is 22. Now, what we are asked to do is to increase 44 by this value. So now we would have our 44 plus 22. What does that give us? We have 64. So increasing 44 by 50% gives us 64. 44 has increased by 50% of its own value. Not adding 50 directly to 44. You see the difference? This is 64 and this is 94. Let's see another example. This time around, we would increase 21 by 3%. Let's increase 21 by 3%. So what's the 3%? What's 3% of 21? So we have 3 over 100 multiplied by 21. If I put this together, I have 3 over 100. Sorry, 3 times 21 over 100 times 1. So what does this give us? We have 21 times 3 is 63. So we have 63 over 100. They are not simplifiable, so we have it that way. So we have 63 over 100. This is the value of 3% of 21. And that's what we are increasing 21 with. So what do? We have 21. We're increasing 21 by, right? We have 21 plus 63 over 100. So let's say this is 21 over 1. We have our LCM, which is going to be 100. So we have 1 in 100 is 100 times 21. We have 2,100 plus 63 over 100. So this gives us what? 2,163 over 100. If we simplify that, we would have 21, right? If you want to leave it in decimal, we have 21.63. Or as a fraction, we have 21 whole number, 63 over 100. So that's the value of 21 increased by 3%. Okay, we'll first have the value, that value of that increase, and then we add it to the original value. Oh, this time around we want to see some word problems. A pack of Dangote sugar sells for 120. That's the original value. Okay, so a pack of Dangote sugar cost us 120 naira. So the original value of Dangote sugar is 120 naira. How much will it be if there's a 10% increase? If you've been to supermarket before, so sometimes you see some price tags and you see 10% increase, usually a discount because they want you to buy more. 2% discount and all of those. So now, if today you go to the market and you say, oh, there's a 10% increase in the price of Dangote sugar, a pack of Dangote sugar, what does that mean for you? How much will it be if there's a 10% increase? So what's 10% increase? What's 10% increase? What's the value? Right? What would that be? So we have 10 over 100 multiplied by 120. Is that also the original value? So we can just cross this over and say times 1. 0 cancels 0. Any other thing possible? Oh, 10 cancels 10. So that means 10% increase in the price of this sugar is actually 12 naira. Does that mean that you are going to be paying just 12 naira? No, it's an increase, which means that you would pay the original value, 120 naira, plus the value of this increase, 12 naira. And that means now a pack of Dangote sugar now sells for how much? 132 naira. So when we are calculating or increasing a number by a percentage, we first calculate the value of that increase, right? Then we add the increase to the original value. That's how to increase a number by a percentage. Very good note. And you are practicing and taking all your quizzes. Please keep sending your questions in. I love to read from you. Bye-bye and God bless you.